Okay, Alan Cruz, Mr. Handsome, Munako Ralero, Tuli ku Namiryango, and of course, it's just an entertainment day. Bana bali just so happy. Buli mwana ali mukola chiche, as you can see on stage, abazinye bazina, ba emsaba kabiwe bali. Tuli just having a small time, yeah. Naye nga wano waliwo abaana abawala abali mu byabwe. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Nancha Samali.
Ani?
Nancha Samali.
Nancha?
Yeah.
Nancha weddirachi?
Mamba.
Mamba. Mamba akabiro.
Muguya.
Ha, obimanyi Nancha. Obulamu bugenda butya wano ku Somero Nancha?
Wanje?
Obulamu bugenda butya ku Somero?
Mulungi.
Kiki osinga omisinga?
Mami wange.
Mami wo?
Yeah.
Mubeera wa?
Tubeera Jinja.
Wa?
Jinja.
Jinja?
Yeah.
Oide olusoga?
No, I don't know.
You don't know olusoga?
Yeah.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Nakaiza Jemima.
Nakaiza Jemima. I can see the smile, Nakaiza Jemima. Kan Nakaiza. Wama isomero ligamba ki? Jemima nawe.
Igenda bulungi.
Isomero ligenda bulungi. Nakaiza oli shy? Oli shy? Anaye Nakaiza. Kan Nakaiza wama. Kiki osinga omisinga?
Misinga waka.
Omisinga waka. Omisinga kulaba obuzannyo ewaka. Kazannyo ki?
Arnaldo. You tran.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Naigaga Comfort.
Ani?
Naigaga Comfort.
Wama kiki osinga omisinga saawa zino kyogamba nti I wish I was out of the school nga ndi mu holiday.
Being in Freedom City. Being in Freedom City.
Freedom City, why? Being on bouncing castle.
No, swimming. Swimming.
You know how to swim?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Owugireno ba divorce gye bawugireno awampi oba?
No. I swim well by there with small children.
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Pio Juliana.
Sorry?
Pio Juliana.
Juliana? Hey, you're saying that Juliana Kanyomo's?
No?
Hey. You in which class?
Senior 1.
Senior 1?
Yes.
How is senior 1 so far?
It's fine.
Are they bullying you? Are the guys bullying you?
No?
No. What are you missing right now?
I'm missing being with my parents.
You're missing what?
Being with my parents.
Okay, send greetings to them.
Hello, mommy. Hello, daddy. I miss you so much. I'm here. I'm enjoying. Thank you for paying for me this day. Thank you so much.
Okay. Wano wetuli, Wama, let me sit here. Wama, how are you?
I'm fine.
Banango sizo obumwa. Nsimye. Atu nagamba kinyimbiramu. Akayimba koyagala konna.
Akayimba. Konna.
Konna.
I'm sexy ekyo nkimanyi. Kafiga keko nakyo nkimanyi. African chocolate skin kimanyi. Ate wakatulinamu tulina mani. Weyandese mu kidongo kyokka toyagala na kuzina ndongo. Oyagala nyiige nnyo mu kidongo. Tuddeyo eka ate enkukuba omugongo.
Bwe nnyiiga.
Tonyiigulula.
Bwe nkaaba.
Tonkaabirira.
Abaana baabano wamma obulamu bugamba ki wano ku Somero?
Bulamu bulungi.
Kiki omisinga?
Kyemisinga. Misinga bazadde bange. Misinga kugendako out. Nga maze emisomo gyange n'emikwano gyange.
Kati kano kalipstick wakajjewa?
Mami wange yakandeetedde.
Mami wange yakakuleetedde? Visitation? Nagamba weeyiseeko?
Nagamba nnyume.
Wama, you come here. How are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
My name is Jovia.
Gloria. Jovia. Jovia, Somero ligamba ki?
Bulungi.
Ani yakusize ka lipstick?
My sister.
Your sister? Bamuyitani?
Bamta Tendo Janat.
Tendo. You're in which class?
Senior.
Senior 2. But now you're no longer from below. Who are the from belows?
These ones.
The senior ones? Are the from belows? And you're from what?
From 2.
From 2, What do you miss?
I miss chatting on Facebook.
You miss chatting on Facebook? And another thing that you miss?
I miss home.
You miss home. Church singo kunyumira no ku Somero.
Okay. Okay, like events that are around, and okay, the way they react to the school programs.
Okay. Ku program fetu liko kwetuli, and of course nzijawo kale wama tutule wano ogamba otya
Jendi.
amanya bakuyitani
Magala Oscar.
Magala Oscar. Kicho osinga okukola n'okusomero kumenya kesi kicho osinga okukola n'okusomero
Samba mwaka pili awo.
Osamba namba ki
Namba mukaaga.
Namukaaga asamba wa
Asamba makati awo.
makati awo oli bulungi
Ndi bulungi.
BBS ogimanyi
Ngimanyi bulungi.
program kyesinga okunyumira ku BBS program kyesinga okunyumira ku BBS
Maso ku BBS.
maaso ku ggwanga
Maso ku lutimbe.
maaso ku lutimbe ku firimu awo onyumira firimu ne VJ Sun kiki osinga omisinga saa zino oli wano ku ssomero kiki osinga omisinga
Era firimu.
ayayaya muzanyi ki wa firimu g'osinga okwagala muzanyi ki wa firimu g'osinga okwagala
Rainbow.
Wama, how are you
I'm fine.
oli fine
Yes.
ai oli mu class
Form 1.
olina ano tikyanga musomesa taatawo oba maamawo
Tewali.
soko yimiremu tulabe oli anai oli musenya wano
Iye.
kati boti yagenze atya
Ati yagenze bulungi.
babadde miditamu sinana abaana tebakubuulinga mbusimanyi gwe oli mumpi oli biki
Eno tebibeerayo.
kiki osinga omisinga
Tesinga misinga bazadde bange.
bazadde bo kati obeere wakati kye bakolera bazadde be kyoba misingako
Bandabirira.
oyagala beera ki
Lawyer.
maama ng'osala emisango awo nga bakulaba awo gwawolereza owolereza babbi oba owolereza abali ku kisuufu
Abali ku kituufu.
kale kankuyiteko ko wano ngende nzijaawo wano eno aisitiya wano eno naye mwe mulaga muli ba form 3 mmwe
Form 5.
mulimba
Namiriango mix.
form ki
Form 5.
mwe abalemereddwa okuweebwa amasomero amalala ne mukomawo
Nedda. We have just joined the school. Yeah, but we love the school.
wavudde ku ssomero ki
St. Peter's Nalia.
kyakyakujja enaalya bakutemye
Not really. I just felt like changing environments. Yeah.
bate babadde babowa
Nah, the school was interesting, but I found Namiriango mixed more interesting. Yeah.
kyekisinga ki kyosinga omisinga saawa zino oli wano kusomero what do you miss
Like at home or my former school? At home. Apparently, I just miss my hala. That's it.
yo hala
Yeah.
oyagala simu yo
Yeah.
what do you use your phone for
As in everything. What do you use your phone for?
oli mwana muto olina okubeera n'essimu ng'ozanyirako geemu ng'obeerako naye kati tetunnamanya ki kyoyagaza essimu
No, siri mwana mto kuba nina emyaka egibeera n'endaga mungi.
enanga muntu obeera nayo ng'oli wa myaka eme
18 and above.
oli wa myaka 18
Not really. Yeah, ndabika nkusinga obukulu.
abaana bano mama how are you your face looks familiar
Yes, me I know.
nakulabawa
I'm from Winston Standard Secondary School. Winston Standard Secondary School.
wamma gye nakulaba nakulaba ku Winston ne bakutema ne ŋŋamba ye omwana baamutemye
Tebasobola kuntema cause I left nga bangi bakaaba
nga bagamba ki
nga baagala nzireyo.
kyenyo kye wali obawa
I was their choir leader nga mbayimbira ennyimba z'amasomero.
kati bano abatayimba tugenda bakolera ki
Takubayigiriza okuyimba.
namiryango muyimba
Tuyimba.
namiryango muyimba
Tuyimba.
ayimba nnyimba ki
Ez'essomero. Nyimba nyingi.
ono muyayi ali mu senior 5 oyo naye
Mubuuza kwedi.
owaayo oli mu class
Senior 3.
senior 3 kambo senior 5 mama first come how are you
I'm good and fresh.
hey, you're cool and fresh tula wano owaayo you're cool and what
Fresh.
mwabayita abaana basinyano bava mu biro mmwe
Nedda. Tetubayita ebyo. We call them by their names and their class.
like
Form 1s, you're welcome to you're welcome to Namiryango Mixed.
Namiryango mazeo banga ki?
Nakajoininga.
Liti Somero sofa.
It is very good and beautiful school.
Wavude ku Somero ki?
Zana Mixed International.
Alaji wavude ku international no jeno mu local.
It's not local. The school it has its own abilities and available. And it is nice and cool.
Kali gogana kubeera ki mu future?
Ekyo kigasigaye kyanje. Kigasigaye, it's mine.
Tubuulireko.
No, what if they take my secret?
Kicho missing ewaka.
On my phone.
Abana basinya 5 nga mu missing esimu zammwe.
Yeah, of course. We have grown up and now we are big boys and big girls.
Kyogambe teeka balireete.
Balireete?
Bw'abaana balina oba n'amasimu.
Of course.
By reason ibiri lwaki weetaaga essimu ku ssomero?
I need to talk to, I have some business.
Like which business?
I've been working online, so getting money, brothers, becoming a fashionist, and getting my own money.
Kati gitume maama wo bataata waali ewaka omugambe taata essimu bagindeetere.
Hey mommy, hey daddy, I love you guys and keep it up, bring more kids in Namiryango Mixed because it's a cool and a fresh school with a loving teachers. Everybody's so nice to everybody and that's it.
Tuleeta ssimu mbadde ngamboga kambuze kuona omukyala nyama jangu wano mama jangu. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Shakira.
From what?
Namiryango Mix.
Hey! Baba gambye wakazindalo bwajja mu kuba akalango.
First we make noise for everyone, most especially Namiryango Mix.
Hey!
Yes.
You also miss your phone?
Nara, school is so dope.
School is dope.
They treat us so well, we don't miss our phones.
You're in Form what?
Form 5.
Omaze ebbanga ki wano ku Namiryango?
Just 2 months.
2 months.
But it feels so great.
They chopped you.
Nara!
Hey. They chopped you where you went. And you're like, I'm Munange, Namiryango. And they chop you from here also.
They won't.
Eh?
They won't chop me. I wasn't chopped. I just came here because I had it's a lit school.
What points to make them sing for?
39.
39?
Yeah.
Second grade?
Yeah.
Okay. What much do you miss?
Huh?
What do you miss?
The TV. I miss the TV at home.
You miss the TV at home?
Yeah.
What do you miss watching?
Series.
Series?
Yeah.
You love movies, eh?
Very much.
Okay. Celebrity track.